Good morning, dear student. We come to the next chapter, that is cell structure and function. You know that the cell is the smallest basic unit of our life. It is the smallest basic structure and functional unit of life. We'll study about the cell in this chapter. We'll all study about the different types of cell also in this chapter. First of all, you know that there are different types of organism. The organism may be unicellular or multicellular. Unicellular, as you know, you have done in 7th class also, bache, that the uni means single. The organism whose body is made up of single cell. Bacteria is there, amoeba is there, euglena is there, whose body is made up of single cell, and single cell is able to perform all the function of the body. These are called the unicellular organism. Now the multicellular, the very common example of multicellular, multi means many. The organism whose body is made up of many cells, those organisms are called the multicellular organism. Human, cow, dog, all are the multicellular organism. In the human, trillions of cells are there, elephant, billions of cells are there. So these all are the multicellular organism. Now, what about the discovery of cell? The discovery of cell is done by the scientist Robert Hooke in 1665 with the help of a microscope having magnifying glass. You know that he has taken the cork, outer covering of plant. He has taken the cork, which is the outer covering, outer layer of the plant, and he has seen that under a microscope. And he has seen a small compartment-like structure, like this. And he has given this name to each compartment, that is cell. He has given cell the name to each compartment. You know that at that time the microscope was not so much developed that he was not able to see anything which is present inside this cell. He has seen the spaces present in this. The spaces are empty. जो compartment है खाली है. And after that, when the compound microscope was discovered and the various scientists has done various work, then they have found there are liquid present in this. That liquid is present in the cell is the living. Then it was said that cell is the smallest basic structure functional unit of life, which is living. So cell is the basic living structural and functional unit of the life. Now, how can we prepare the slide if we want to study the cell? How can we prepare the slide? Now, Betaji, if you want to prepare the slide of any cell, want to see the small cell under the microscope, you have to make a slide. So, preparation of slide under a microscope, how can you prepare it? You will take a slide, glass slide, like this. Aapne glass slide liya. Then you have taken a small piece of any cells, very, very small, which you want to see. You keep it over here on this cell. Before that, put a drop of water here. And with the help of a brush, keep a very small piece which we want to study. Then add a drop of glycerin on that. What is the purpose of keeping the glycerin? Add the glycerin. Glycerin does not make the material dehydrate. वो उसको dry होने से बचाती है glycerin. Then there is a small transparent cover that is called the cover slip. After making like this, putting the material in the water with the help of brush, you have put a drop of glycerin. Then after putting the glycerin, adding the glycerin, cover that material with the help of a slip that is for the protection. That slip is called the cover slip. And then you see under the microscope, you are able to see the cells of different shape. One more thing you can add, if your material is transparent, which you want to see, you can add some stain. Stain means colored material, kuch bhi colored material. You can add a drop of stain before covering it with the help of cover slip. What is the purpose of adding the stain? You can add saffron, red stain, saffron, kuch bhi dal sakte hain. By the stain, you can able to see the different parts clearly in the material. So in this way you can make a slide. Now cell structure. What is cell structure? We will study the cell structure in plants and animals by the making slide. For making the slide of plant, we can take a onion peel. You have seen. जब आप एक onion को छीलते हैं, the thin layer, transparent layer is called the onion peel. And in the same way you can make the slide. That onion peel you can keep it on the slide with the help of plucker. Then you add drop of water and glycerin, and you can see under the microscope, you can see the cells like this. The cells of present in the onion. And in the case of animal, you can make the slide in the same way. Cheek cell. What is the cheek cell? You know, when you take a hot tea, जब आप गर्म चाय पीते हैं, sometime inside your cheek, it burns, a very thin layer comes, that is called the cheek cells. You take that skin on the slide and you are able to see the different types of cells in the cheek like this. So in this way we can make the slides. Now we come to next.